Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba Inu on WeBull. So as you can see on my WeBull profile, you can see that I have $26.34 worth of crypto buying power. So that's how much I could spend on Shiba Inu today. Now, in order to find Shiba Inu, you're going to go along the bottom and you're going to click on the Markets tab. So once you've clicked on the Markets tab, you'll see at the top right a magnifying glass. So click on that magnifying glass. And now we're going to type in SHIB. And at the top, you should just see SHIBUSD. So SHIB US dollars, essentially. So I'm going to click on there. And that brings us to the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency on WeBull. So I'm going to purchase some today. So along the bottom left side, you'll see that blue button for trade. So click on trade. Okay, at this point, you'll see Shiba Inu's current projected price and such. So you could decide to purchase Shiba Inu with a limit order or a market order. Now, I have a dedicated video going over the differences between a market order and a limit order, but just a real quick summary. Market order, you buy however many shares of Shiba Inu at the current market price. It could be, you know, like 0.0000715. It could be like, you know, 0.0000 whatever, 7.18, you know, whatever the market price is, that's the price point that you're going to get Shiba Inu is if you buy via market price. Now, if you buy via limit order, you could tell WeBull like, hey, I only want to buy Shiba Inu if its market price is at whatever amount per share. And WeBull will not purchase any Shiba Inu for you unless it hits that limit price. So that's a real quick brief summary. So just to give you guys an example for this one, we're just going to buy via market order just so that our order is fulfilled, because if you try to purchase via limit order and the price never gets to the price you want to buy in at, then you will not buy any Shiba Inu on WeBull. So after selecting market order, you can see amount in. So you could toggle this. You could decide I want to purchase X amount of shares of Shiba Inu, or you could decide I want to spend, you know, $26 towards Shiba Inu, and WeBull will figure out the math for you and everything like that. So super easy. So that's how I'm going to fulfill this order here. So let's just buy, I'm going to buy $26.34 worth of Shiba Inu. And right there, it tells me my estimated amount is going to be over 3 million shares of Shiba Inu. So we're just going to go for it and, you know, see what happens. So putting in $26.34 along the bottom there, you'll see buy. So we're going to click on buy. And right there, it just gives you your order summary. Are you going to purchase, you know, $26.34 worth of Shiba Inu at market price? At this point, I'm going to click on confirm, because if I lose $26 just from this, it's not a huge deal. Okay, so as you can see, the order was fulfilled at the top. And just like that, I have over 3 million shares worth of Shiba Inu. So this is the risk you run at buying at market price. So as you can see, it did dip a little bit after I purchased it. So that's something to keep in mind. You might want to go and do a limit order if you really care about your entry point, but I only purchased like $26 worth of Shiba Inu, so I'm not really concerned. But that in a nutshell is how you buy Shiba Inu on WeBull. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.